Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Ng, CEO and founder of Sixides. Today, I'll be talking about our CSR campaign, Lean on Me,靠我Bar work. So as designers, right, we thought hard about how we could use our craft to do some CSR work and at the same time, bring some attention to what Sixides is all about. Now, Sixides' goal in this project is to utilize our expertise as designers to help our fellow Singaporeans in need during this festive period. Now, we set out with a goal to install 300 grab bars in homes across the island for free, helping our fellow Singaporeans in need. Additionally, we would be purchasing and installing water heaters for families in Singapore. To achieve this goal, we've worked with Keeping Hope Alive, a volunteer group based in Singapore, to give back to our community during this festive period. Keeping Hope Alive works with less privileged Singaporeans, focusing on providing better quality of life and, most importantly, to keep the hope alive for them. Additionally, Sixides has also worked with Sibeishok, a live commerce platform hosted by Singaporean celebrities Terence Chow, Don Yo, and more, by co-hosting a 24-hour non-stop live stream for charity with the aim to raise money to purchase grab bars for homes with elderly alongside other charitable causes. Apart from Terence and his showbiz friends, a number of local and overseas stars also drop in to show their support during the stream. Now, grab bars are essentially nothing new. A lot of people have the grab bars already installed, but we feel that it can serve a bigger purpose other than just being inside the bathroom. It can also be along the corridors, in the kitchen, just outside the bathroom as well. As designers, we pride ourselves as people who know spaces well. Under most circumstances, designers will not be called upon to do these works for those in need. But empathy is an important ingredient of what makes a designer good at what they do. Now, this initiative aims to shine a light about the predicament on all those in need, and for all designers in the industry to not only play a part to help, but also to learn that good design is not a commodity that only the rich or affluent can afford, but a service and duty that we all can render to everyone, privileged or less fortunate. The Lean on Me,靠我Bar team arrived at 7 a.m. in the morning on the 12th of December 2021, and we were thoroughly briefed on all the COVID-19 measures, the installation process, and how to go about asking if residents needed the grab bars and heaters. We started the day early, following the members of Keeping Hope Alive around the area to approach elderlies and families, explaining our mission and how we can help them. At all times, we ensured that the dignity and respect to the residents were upheld, as we were there to lend a helping hand and not pity. We empathize and discuss with the residents on the locations and heights of all the bars we installed.
非常有意义，因为我们做了那个24小时的直播后，今天就是来实行把这些扶把，把这些厕所toilet bowl的cover，把这些water heater和 mattress就是分给他们，帮他们安装。对我来讲，我是第一次参与这么有意义的，有这么多 designer 的 contractors、volunteers 一起在这个疫情很不容易的把这个事，正在如火如荼的，就是赶工的把这些东西，就是在圣诞节之前。现在今天的最大的问题是，当我们碰到每一家都有自己的不同的 challenge， 我们很坚持，我们也很 we're very sure that we want to complete this, but we are really behind time really, and something that I guess it's very meaningful lah. We'll just get it done. So
We chose to use grab bars for our project as our expertise as designers can come in handy, ensuring grab bars are installed in ergonomic positions that are suitable for the elderly. One particular case I remember vividly when we were trying to install for one particular elderly was that she had actually tied raffia string across her bed and used that as a way of pulling herself out of the bed. By us understanding the situation, we were able to actually remove the cabinet that was there, push the bed against the wall and install a grab bar in a slightly diagonal position such that it performed an ergonomical function for her to pull herself out from whenever she's trying to get out of the bed.
你去看一下，哎，
你去，
对，就这样，然后
这样啊，你这个每一次啊，这样啊，再转一下啊，你这样手摸一下水热不热？热啊。
你这边都没有，一直都没有热水的，没有的。哦。
While installing a water heater for an elderly resident in the Chin Swee district, we strike out a conversation with her, where she mentioned that she didn't own a water heater prior and would use the stove to boil a kettle of hot water, bring it into the bathroom in order to have warm water while showering. However, as her knees grew weaker, she no longer had the strength to carry a full kettle of hot water from the kitchen to the bathroom. Something that we treated as a very normal thing at home to have might not be easily accessible to everyone in Singapore. And it is truly heartwarming to know that the water heater that we've installed for her has become the perfect gift for her, allowing her to have access to warm water while showering.